Call me and look for a check. You must be hurting for money today. We've almost buying cars from, deranged people like you, and I don't know. You think there could be a crazy latch on that?
That's for the ejecto cedo.
What if we twin turbo it? You think anyone's ever twin turboed one of these? What's up, everyone? So in our last video, remember we looked at a little Geo Tracker. We just got the call today, and the gentleman that we made an offer to is willing to sell it to us. We're gonna go pick it up right now and see if we can make something out of this thing.
There it is. Oh, the wooden window and all.
Listen to the strength of that two-cylinder motor beating around.
I think it's three, right? Three cylinders.
We still haven't figured out how to open the hood. We gotta ask about that.
Yeah.
We need some special equipment to do that.
Wait.
Is this mechanism?
There's all kinds of weird things going on with this. Yeah. There's a lot of custom stuff.
You think this thing's gonna blow up if I don't get over here soon enough?
No, the battery was low.
How many times you gotta call me and look for a check? You must be hurting for money today.
Oh, I am.
I can tell.
I am real bad. What are you, a bodyguard now?
Yeah, man.
What is this bullshit?
This is my videographer. We've almost buying cars from, deranged people like you and rehab them. It's like the American pictures of automobiles. Title's open from when you bought it, you're saying?
Yeah, I never going.
You want to reassign it to me?
That's what I'm saying. I can, or you want to fill that out and I can sign it?
Yeah, I think you got your money's out of it.
That thing's been all over the southeast picking up vehicles.
Is that right?
Yeah.
You probably bought it for what I'm buying it for you for in about 2010.
No. You know the crazy thing about that vehicle?
What's that?
It sat back there is where we parked it out in the back out of the way. That's when we needed, we hook up and go. And I couldn't tell you how many people want to buy that thing. Saw Becker pull in and say, hey, is that for sale? No, it's not for sale. We need it. Had more people wanting to buy it. I've had it for 10 years. Wanted to buy it. And when I put it out on the market, I didn't want to sell it. It's like, are you kidding me? And then come up and insult you and make...
People want what they can't have. You know how it is. I mean, they see it back there and think you're willing to give it away, and, they're hoping you're going to tell them, yeah, $500, you can have it, out of the back. Don't work too hard from the couch. You got to stay busy. I know this is a big one, Tom. Thank you. All right. I'm glad you held out for me.
Thank you.
All right, brother. All right. Let's do it, man. We got us a title, bill of sale, and we got some llaves, some keys.
So that means we got a tracker.
That's right, baby. That's right.
That we still don't know how to open the hood on.
We forgot to ask about that important tidbit.
All right. Wish me luck. Hopefully.
This speed demon.
Oh, I know, right? I gotta really watch myself in this. Hopefully I don't get taken out by a snowbird. Alright. Whew. There's definitely an exhaust leak. I want to roll the windows down a little bit and air this thing out. Oh my god. Alright, safety first. Or second. In this thing. And we're off. Well, it moves. That's good. That's a plus. The steering's a little wonky, but clutch feels good. Oh, it smells terrible. Let's do a first gear rip in this bad boy. Pedal to the floor. All the gears work good though. Alright, let's go ahead and park this bad boy. Well, there it is. We got a tracker, guys. I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but we got it. Look, you were close. You were close.
In here?
Up in the corner. Up in the corner. There. Yep. Wow. I know, right?
That son of a...
That's what I'm saying.
Tommy almost wouldn't sell it to me.
No, you wanted stupid money if you did.
Pull that for...
That's for the ejecto cedo. I don't know. All right, yeah, there's that turd.
What if we twin turbo it? You think anyone's ever twin turboed one of these guys?
Oh, I don't know about twin, but they definitely have turboed versions of these
Pro Charger
running out there.
We need to do it. I think we could be the first. What's that?
Is it four-wheel drive?
No four-wheel drive, Corey.
Well then, if it's four-wheel drive, you jack it up. If it's two-wheel drive, you lower it.
There you go.
So slam it.
Slam it down, baby.
24s on it.
Yes.
Do a wide body kit.
Wide body.
Yeah, hell yeah, then you'll be talking.
So plan for this car. Gonna start with a new top, right? That's where it all kind of needs to begin, right there. High value item we can replace. top on eBay, probably a couple $100 for this this little unit. A couple mechanical things we know we're going to need to do. AC is blowing hot, unacceptable in Florida, even on a nice December day. Still got to have some cool AC. And then the thing that's going to be the wild card is going to be the paint, right? We're going to have to assess costs of painting this vehicle. It's not going to be as expensive as most cars. But of course, paint does get really expensive nowadays. So we'll kind of weigh the options. You know, if it costs us $1,500, $2,000 to paint it, will we get that money back out of it? Those are the equations you always have to kind of distill down when you're determining what to do with a little project car like this. And the last thing I want to mention is our buying strategy on this car. So I like to call this one the set it and forget it. And this is exactly what Kirk and I did with this unit. We called the buyer. I always think you need to make your best offer up front. Be very clear with the buyer. Hey, this is what I see you have. I know what this car is. This is what I'm willing to pay for it. It was less than what the guy was asking for on Facebook Marketplace. He respectfully said, no, thank you. I want to try to get a little bit more money. And I said, sir, I totally understand. Everyone wants to maximize their output. But what he did tell me is he had a time duration on selling this thing. So you always look for that. You know, anytime someone's got, I don't want to say desperation, but they're in a time crunch and they really need to move something because they're moving or buying something else, that's when you can really scoop a good deal on a car. And so I said, hey, you give me a call in a week or two if it doesn't sell, and I will pay you exactly what I'm telling you I'll pay today. I'm not going to pick the car apart. I've already looked at it. I know what I'm buying. And sure enough, I got that phone call this morning. I was there with the check within 20 minutes. We bought it for exactly what we said we were going to, which was $1,500. That's what we brought this car home for today. So we're going to see if we can make something great out of it, but we're not going to get hurt at $1,500. So this will be a fun project, and we'll see where it goes from here.
Needless to say, we are very excited about this whole project. So we're going to show you everything. We're going to show you from the start to the finish of this whole tracker build and show you how we do things here at Honest Autos, getting this tracker, which looks currently terrible, into a resellable condition for the next person to enjoy. And who knows, we just might have a little extra fun.